and 43's bid. Now 5, now 45 and 45, now 45,000, and 45 and 7 near. Now 777 gets 7 bid, moment, 7 now 7 to 45 and 7, moment, 47,000, and 7 later. Now 777 gets 7.
Jakarta Auctions, the one-stop service with all the best deals and benefits that you could get. It is an international auction specializing in a wide range of heavy equipment, trucks and machinery. With all the experience in this emerging core business, Jakarta Auctions has organized every successful auction since 2001 and sold more than 17,000 pieces of equipment with multi-million-dollar transactions. It's an unreserved auction with a parade auction system. No minimum prices, no buybacks, and no seller bids. Jakarta Auctions with a 60,000 square meter yard, capable of holding thousands of pieces of equipment, easily accessed, thus makes it convenient for customers. Having run this business for many years has strengthened our commitment in maintaining a good relationship with our worldwide customers. From valued customers, today they have become our loyal clients. Jakarta Auctions acquires the most sophisticated technology in facilitating its international auctions, such as IT-based auction system and easy access website with the online auction system.
75, $75, 75, and 50 bid 75, now here's someplace I think it was. Where were we here?
Sellers or bidders simply make phone calls or send fax as well as email, and we will come to you. For sellers, our experts will appraise your equipment on site and recommend repairs or upgrades to give you maximum returns on your assets. Bidders just have to attend the auction site and do the inspection prior to the auction day. To register, bidders simply place a deposit, submitting a copy of valid ID and filling the registration form. Deposit will be refunded if no purchase is made. We provide services for worldwide shipping and transportation. Our extensive professional network will obtain the best quality services with the most competitive rates.
Put the sign on lot number 7, and I've got 200.
Jakarta Auctions believes in a total quality service to fulfill the client's convenience and satisfaction. When it comes to customers' needs, quality and service does matter. Jakarta Auctions, solutions for equipment and cash.